Hey guys, this is my We the People Zodiac bike check. I'll start from the front of the bike. The Zodiac stock bars, they're 8.5 inch rise by 29 inch width. I'm running on the proper team grips. I like them because they've got a really small flange, so you don't get any blisters on the middle of your thumb or anything like that. I'm running the proper team grip bar ends, which are quite smashed up now. I've got the skate slime sticker on the front. Don't know where the heck I got that from. The stem is the Salt 46mm 6061T alloy stem. It comes stock with the bike, so that's pretty good. I've got the We the People forks. I'm not sure what label they are, but I've got the Salt High Q front rim rounded. That rolls pretty well. The Salt hubs, I ride that with the one peg on each side. Moving on to the frame, it's just the We the People stock Zodiac frame. It's weighs something like 6 or 7 pounds, something like that. Yeah, it's I'm not sure what the angles on the top tube and things like that are, but it's a really good frame. It's not too long and it's not too short. Moving on to the seat, I've got the We the People Zodiac seat. We the People Justice seat, with the integrated seat post. Well, it's not really a seat post. I've got the Eclat Hollow Man pedals. They're really light and really strong. The plastic, cause I hate it when they hit my shin, so I'm running the Salt. I think they're just Salt cranks. I don't think they have a label to them. A blank 7075 sprocket. I'm not sure what I'm not sure like why it's a 7075, because it might just be named after the Coalition one, because it's quite similar to it. Yeah, if anyone knows why it's called the 7075, could you just mail me, because I'm not exactly the smartest guy ever. Moving on to the chain, it's a KMC halflink. The bike does come stock with one, but I snapped it, so I bought a new one. I've got the Salt 9-tooth back driver. That's pretty loud. The Salt High Q squared rim at the back. That's strong. I've only ever had it straightened out once, I think, and I've had the bike about a year now. So it's not even been out a year, so close to it. And I think that's about it. Oh, and these things down here, this one's for the chain when it's slack. You can't hear it riding on the bottom of the frame. And this one over here is for when you're grinding, you don't dent the bottom of your frame. So it's an idea I came up with about 2 months after I had it. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.